This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Caskey. Beautifully restored home on large, tree-lined lot. Historical design with breeze porch. Gorgeous hardwood flooring, updated kitchen west/ceramic backsplash, wood-burning fireplace and family room west/tile surround and beautiful mantle, park-like setting in desirable green acres near water breezes. Open house Saturday, August 7, 2021, 1 to 4 p.m. For more information, review the details below.